Welcome to another DMT Breathwork session. Find a comfy position, either seated or lying down, and take a deep breath. Today we're at the Weeki Wachee Springs and we'll be doing Breath of Fire and DMT breathing at 2 different speeds, and we'll increase the breath hold each round, starting with 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and ending with 50 seconds. The Breath of Fire sounds like this. It's short, fast inhales and exhales through your nose. And DMT breathing, we're going to inhale deeply through our nose into our belly and exhale gently out of our mouth. It'll sound like this. Good, just like that. And we'll begin with Breath of Fire in 3, 2, Great work, and we'll double the speed. Breathing in and out through the nose. You're doing great. DMT breathing. Perfect. Breathe in through the nose and let it out of the mouth. Last breath, and we'll double the speed. Stay connected to your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final breath in and hold at the top. Holding completely filled with life force energy. And we'll take a big exhale into our first 30-second breath hold. Holding without any air. Notice how you feel. Stay focused and still. We'll take a big breath in through the nose in 3, 2. Hold at the top and exhale. Amazing work. Let your breath return to its normal rhythm, and we'll get ready for round number 2. Breath of Fire in 3, 2. Double the speed. Yeah, stay with the breath. DMT breathing. In, out, in, out. Let's double the speed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final breath in. Fill all the way up and hold at the top. You're filled with prana. You're filled with life force energy. How does it feel? Now, big exhale into our 40-second breath hold. Relax your body. Let any tension in your face, hands, anywhere you're holding on to tension, let it completely go and just completely focus and relax. Big inhale in 3, 2. Let your breathing return to normal, and we'll prepare for round number 3. Breath of fire in 3, 2. Let's go. Round number 3. Give it all you got. Let's double the speed. Good, stay with the breath. DMT breathing. Let's double the speed. Stay with the breath. You're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final breath in. Fill all the way up and hold at the top. And a big exhale into our final 50-second breath hold. Holding completely empty, noticing all the feels, all the vibrations. Relaxing every muscle in your body, just enjoying this blissful moment. Keep holding, you're almost there. Final inhale through the nose. Beautiful work, everyone. Let your breath return to normal breathing. Thank you for joining me in another breathwork session. I hope you're feeling amazing, energized, and full of life. I'll see you in the next video, and be sure to subscribe for more breathwork sessions like this.